I know that there are lots of you guys want to come to Thailand for Songkran Festival. And if you want an idea like when you should plan to come to travel Thailand during Songkran Festival, I'm going to give you some little suggestion in this video. สวัสดีค่ะ It's me, teyasuchira. Again, April is coming, and of course, many of you guys know that in April we have Thai New Year during 13, 14, and 15. This is some general New Year celebration, and Songkran Festival is one of the days that a lot of tourists are looking for coming back to travel here because it's crazy fun. Just in case any of you don't understand why it's so crazy fun and you've never been to Thailand before, I just want to give you some just short information about Songkran Festival. It's a Thai New Year, of course. When it's Thai New Year and it's summertime, we love to splash water. But the festival is also very beautiful with Buddhist ceremony in each places. So if you come here during the 13th until 15th of April, you're going to have a chance to see how much Thai people are so happy to have this festival because it's very important. So a lot of you guys who've been here before, they love it and want to come back, and you wonder like, how about Songkran Festival this year? Will they started to let you play? Well, the government say, yes, we don't stop you this time. We let you to continue to have any activities of Songkran Festival. So everybody can travel across the province to another province. But they still really hope that you take good care of yourself under the system of VUCA. V is vaccine. U is universal prevention, C is COVID-free setting, and A is ATK or antigen test. So you got to do the COVID-19 test before you travel and also after when you return to your house. But this one is just like taking care of yourself. You need to take responsibility for yourself and for all the society in the country. So this is what they request you to do. So I want to say congratulations if you're looking for coming back to Thailand for this Songkran Festival. You have a chance, but if I were you, I would not start to buy that flight ticket yet. Just because of the Songkran Festival is very important, and we know that we are aware that a lot of people are going to have crazy fun. So there are lots of ministry. They need to have a meeting and talk about how to manage it nicely and smoothly with safe. So on 18th of March, CCSA, they're going to have a big meeting with a lot of ministry all together. So there are 6 ministries that they have to talk together. Of course, first one is the Ministry of Public Health, the Ministry of Interior, the Ministry of Transportation, just because you have to travel to different provinces, the Ministry of the Tourism and Sport, Ministry of the Culture, and also the Royal Thai Police. They have to sit and talk just because of the need to talk about the system of how you guys travel and all about the rule. So if I were you, I would just wait until they talk and tell us about all the restriction during Songkran Festival. I don't know if it's going to be strict or if it's going to be worth it for you to come here. But however, I think it will be much better than COVID-19 last year or a year before. So I'm happy for you. For myself, you may wonder if I want to celebrate Songkran Festival or not. Well, for myself, I'm very, very boring Thai woman. Because I never look forward for Songkran Festival. I'm very boring, right? But one thing you may forget about that I am Thai, so I was born in this country and I've seen this festival since I was born. So you can think about, I see this Songkran Festival since I was born and I play since I was young. Especially when I was a teenager, I was so crazy and had fun enough. So when I turned to working in the tourism, Songkran Festival is just one of the days that I have to work. And plus, traffic is so bad in my street, I couldn't get out. And when I go out, even though I want to buy some food, I don't want to play water, but I still get wet to it. I still get wet when I get back home. So I feel like when it's Songkran Festival, I just want to stock food and then go out at late at night because people don't want to celebrate and spread water at night. So that's what I always do during Songkran Festival. But it's different feeling. I hope you understand. Just because I live here, so it's no more excitement. Anyway, but I'm excited for you to come here and celebrate this year. But please wait until you hear they have another meeting on 18th of March, and then you can make a decision again if you should come to celebrate Songkran Festival this year or not. And this is all I want to share the news with you. And before I leave, you may wonder like, Teya, where have you been? Because I got some email from somebody just write to me like, do I still do YouTube? Yes, I do, but I have the guests come to visit Thailand. I have to take care of them. So that is why I have no time to upload video. But very soon, in a few more days, I will have my life back and give you more information about Thailand. So thank you so much for some of you who just worry about me if I'm still alive. Yeah, so if you need anything, you want to know about information about traveling to Thailand, you're more than welcome to just write email to me. So today, this is all I want to share you. If you feel like it's useful, you may want it to share to your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe. And also, if you appreciate this information that I have for you today, you feel like you want to support my channel, you want to buy me a coffee, you can have a look in the description how to buy me a coffee. And for today, thank you so much for watching until the end. I'll see you next time very soon. สวัสดีค่ะ